Hey guys, been a while, but I'm excited. I got big news. So first, new wrap for the sled. We're gonna put a new wrap on the sled. I am going to put on a couple pieces for you, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse. You guys can see all that, and I'll show you the finished result. I'm gonna grab that piece. Now, you never want to grab a wrap in the middle. Always try to go for, never grab it from the edges, always grab it from the middle. And we're going to try aligning it on the long side here. Just like this. And we're going to work one direction. And hopefully the direction is up, because air always wants to move up. Now I'll keep this hopefully air bubble free. Make sure you get that crease in there very well. And just like that, one piece is installed. Now this is pretty forgiving, so you can peel it up and place it a couple times without it not sticking. And when you're done, you just want to give it a good rub down, especially in the creases and along the edges, to keep it from peeling. And that's how you install it. Now we got to do the rest of it. Okay guys, here's the progress. I got front section on, started on the side and that side, here, up to there. So far so good, no bubbles, no wrinkles, and so far I've been lucky, no heat. Can use heat on these guys to help you put them in place. And if you're wondering where these stickers go, I honestly don't know either. I've just been kind of picking and trying to figure out where they go, but I do have another sled in the shed next to me that has a wrap on it, so I've been using that one like as a template. Now I just want to say I am not a professional. I am not paid to do this. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm also not sponsored by SCS. I just like their products. Alright, fast forward a couple days. Got all the wrap done, all the small pieces. I didn't put these pieces on because I got knee pads going in here, and I did not want to put the Velcro on top of the sticker because it'll just rip right off, so I didn't put those on because it'll be all covered anyway. But here it is. Now in some areas, like through here, on the gas tank, up along this crevice, I took the heat gun and I rubbed my finger along it, got all the air out, and that's about it. This is what you to be now, for all fame and glory. For people who you don't know, this is why prep is everything. I got one piece of dirt behind my wrap, and now there's a bump there. So, but it's really hidden. It's hard to see. Like, I'm back here, I can kind of see it, but I have to be like down here to really see it. But that's why prep is everything on these guys. So yeah, that's how you install a wrap. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks pretty sweet. Like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok. All of them jazz. All that jazz.